ready mo kay kamo ang judges karong gabi. We will know the winner basing on your cheer, the loudest cheer from all of you, kakis. Ladies, are you ready? Okay, ladies, muna siya. Okay. Kani nga competition, usaray rule, ani? Usaray rule. The rule is, there are no rules. Meaning, if you want, ladies, if you want to take something off, you can take it off. We don't care. Again, if you want to take something off, take it off. We don't care. Alright? Napaday usa ka rule. Sa crowd, na usa ka rule. You can look, but you can't touch. Okay? You can look, but you can't touch. Duhara ka tao dire ang pwede mo touch nila. Si Sean, by the way, o si Bob Goodman ra.
Oh, hi! Palakpakan nyo muna kami,
Alright.
siyempre.
Alright, ladies, are you ready? Okay, this is Let's Dance. Okay, Sexy Let's Dancer number 1. Number 2.
Place your cell
Number
phone.
3.
Place your cell phone there.
Number
Ay,
4.
lagay mo muna yung cellphone mo.
Number 5.
Lagay mo lang yung dyan yung cellphone mo. Yung cellphone. Lagay mo lang. Okay.
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 Cyrus the Virus.
You ready?
Okay.
Daddy Juan.
You are sugot na sa number 1. Sexy Let's Dancer number 1 will give you 30 seconds. Again, there are no rules. If you want, kinahanglang sexy, you come at work. 30 seconds lang yan. You will have a chance to win prizes from Tanduay, the number 1 round. Beautiful people up! Bohol, are you ready? Cyrus the Virus, are you ready? How about you, contestant number 1, are you ready?
Really na?
What's your name? What's your name?
Maricel Gal.
Taga-asa si Maricel. Alright, let's give it up for Maricel of Tip Tip. Maricel!
Mga taga-tip-tip!
Maricel, your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah!
Oh!
Yeah, baby!
Uh-oh! Oh!
Go, Maricel!
20 seconds!
Girl, look at that body.
15 seconds!
Back, pick it up, drop it down low.
Tuwang-tuwa ka, Jerry Lee!
Pick it up, girl, I'm
What you got, baby?
stack it up, and I'm spinning it all. And I throw it up.
Let's go!
Working like Miley,
Oh!
working like Miley.
Alright, time is up, time is up.
Thank you, Maricel!
Alright, Maricel, thank you so much. Let's dancing. Let's give it up for Maricel, ladies and gentlemen. Atong pagpakan. Sexy Let's Dancer number 2. Join me here. What's your name, sweetheart? What's your name?
Juliet!
Jonalyn. Jonalyn?
Juliet!
Juliet. Juliet. Okay, taga-asa man si Juliet.
From Mindanao!
Hey! Alright, kinsay kauban ninyo, Juliet? Who's with you ba? Kinsay kauban mo?
Ako ang ate nasa Dawis.
Ah, imong ate. Are you single or are you single and available, Juliet? Ah, single! Alright. So, Juliet, again, the rule, there are no rules. If you want to take something off, you can take it off. You can take off your slippers or your sandals. You can take off your... Ano ba yan? Okay. Basta. Are you ready? Juliet?
Yes, ready!
Are you guys ready? Cyrus the Virus, are you ready? Juliet, your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
It's your song, let's see up.
Oh!
I'ma try to do the things that you don't. Baby, it's your party, I just wanna play.
Juliet from Mindanao, representing Mindanao.
I'm trying to beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, look at that body, I just
Oh!
Back, 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 take it up and drop it down low.
If you want to take it up, take it up.
Big, take it up, girl, I'm ready to blow. I'ma stack, 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 stack it up and I'm
Show us what you got, Juliet.
And I throw it up.
Come on, let's get it on.
Working like Miley,
Oh,
working like Miley. Start working like Miley.
all right. Time is up. Time is up.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Juliet. Let's
Yun.
go. Answer number 3.
Ate, kaya mo yan. Huwag kang sumuko. Ha?
Kunyari ka pa, Bobby.
Pakita ka.
All right. So,
Ate, ipaglaban mo.
what's your name? Mylene. Taga-asa mga Mylene.
Mamay buhok.
Mylene from Maribohok. Datay taga Tip-Tip, taga Mindanao, now representing Maribohok. All right, are you ready, Mylene? Are you ready?